Hello, I am Kali. Today we will be learn to install software for C++ programming language. In this video install 4 software, like Visual Studio Code, Code Blocks, Dev C++, and Turbo C++. So let's start. Open your favorite internet browser. Type Visual Studio Code. Click on first link, that is, code.visualstudio.com. Now you can see download button here. Simply click on download and it will be start to download. If you can see like this SMS, then click on keep, and it start. You can see, wait till download, finally it download. Now we will be installed. For install, go to download section of internet browser. Now click on it, and it will be start installing shortly, accept agreement. And next. Here check every box. And next, and install. Wait till installing process. Uncheck box, and finish. Now we will be install C compiler, that is minGW. Open new tab. Type minGW. Click on minGW W64 for 32 and 64-bit Windows. That link is of sourceforge.net. Now click on files. And scroll down to find minGW W64 online installer. Click on that link, and download simply, and it will be download shortly. You can see here, wait till download. After download, simply click to install. Click on next. Next. Now it will be start download C compiler. It will be take several minutes, as your internet speed. So wait till download. After download complete, click on next, and finish. Now we have to configure C compiler to Visual Studio Code. For configure, we need to add path of compiler. First, we go to this PC, C drive, program file 86, and find here minGW W64. And click on it. Open this folder. Open minGW32. Open bin. And here is compiler, that name is GCC. For its path, we click here, and copy path. Now we go this PC. Now right click here, and go properties. Advanced System Settings. Environment Variables. Click on Path. Edit. New. And paste here copied path. And click on OK. OK. Now it done. Open new tab. Type code blocks. Click on first link, that is codeblocks.org. Go to download section. You can see here. Click on it. Click on download the binary release. And scroll down. Now click on Windows XP Vista 7.8. And choose here code blocks monsetip X. And click on this link, that is sourceforge.net. And it start to download shortly. Here you can see. Wait till download. After download, click on it to install. Click on next. Next, install. And here installing is start. It will be take several minutes. So wait. Here ask to run. Click no. Next, and finish. Now open code blocks. Create a new project. Console application. Go. Choose C or C++. Next. Type here project title. And click on Finish. Now click on Sources. Double click on Main, C. Here you can see boilerplate of C program. This button for build, thus run. And this build and run. So click on build and run. And execute this program. Here you can see output of program. Open new tab. Type dev C++. Click on first link. That is sourceforge.net. Click in download button. And it will be start download shortly. You can see here. Wait till download. Now click to install. Okay. I agree. Next. Install. Now installing process start. After that click on finish. And start. Select language. And next. Next. Okay. Now we take a new project. Select console application. And project name. And choose C or C++. Here select location for save his project. Here you can see code writing area. So here have to write a C program and execute. This for compile, this for run, and this for compile and run. So click on compile, and set location. And it executed successfully. You can see here. Now click on run. And you can see here output. Open new tab. Type turbo C++. Click on first link, that is developerinsider.co. You can read here about Turbo C++. Click on download Turbo C++. And it start to download. You can see here. Open zip in folder. And right click. Extract here. Now open extracted folder. Now run setup file. Click next. Accept agreement. Next. Install. And it take time. Now finish. Now open. Start Turbo C++. Click on Window section. And select Close All. No. Now click on File for new file. Click on New. Now we can here type program and run. So we write a program. And compile. Here our program execute without any error. Now run. And you can see. Thanks a lot. Please subscribe our channel. And hit the like button.